Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again in another what I drew in the last month video. I can't believe this time has gone by so fast since my last one. Like, what the hell, it's already the 1st of June today. So from the last illustration that I did, I've actually brought in a few older illustrations here where I've like re-edited things or resaved things, so they don't really count. The first thing is not really an illustration, but this was a little layout idea I had for my room when I was trying to plan this little cozy chair layout, which if you saw my vlog video, you'll know I'm kind of in process of. But as you're actually watching this video, I'm currently in the UK visiting family. So this cozy corner will have to wait a couple of weeks before I get that done. But yeah, anyway, this was the kind of idea for the setup. I did want to take out some desks. So yeah, anyway. Then I did this really cute sketch, which I filmed a video on YouTube, which is how I draw faces on Procreate. I did use my free template that I have on my Gumroad account to create this. And I do remember as I first started doing this, I wasn't really feeling like the face was coming out really that great. And I was like, oh my God, should I even post this? But I just stuck with the process, kept going. So as you can see it all coming together, I feel like the eyes looked a bit weird, but I did actually change them in the end and they did end up looking a bit better. And as you can see, I was adding some shadows, which I always like to add to my sketches, just gives it more dimension and it brings it all together a little bit more. Then I was really inspired by some new plants I bought for my office space, which I shared in my vlog video. So I really wanted to draw a girl holding a monstera leaf plant. So this was the line art that I did. And then this was her with colour. So if you want to watch my whole process on this, I did a draw with me video. But yeah, so if you didn't watch that, I did buy some new plants, real plants. Like I haven't had any real plants for ages. I bought a little baby monstera leaf, another one which I can't remember the name of again, but also a palm leaf plant, which I absolutely love, is my favourite. Next, I did some little quick morning warm-up sketches. These were very rough. I was just basically doing it for a bit of fun. I just took 2 images from Pinterest. I have a few portrait sketches here, which I did a live drawing video on YouTube. I actually have the replay uploaded as well if you want to go and rewatch it. So you can actually watch me draw this all in real time. So it takes about 30 minutes long, the video. But I absolutely love how these girls came out. I actually really love this one. Yeah, which one's your favourite? Let me know in the comments. And if you are interested in the video, I'll link it in the description or above here. This was a sketch I didn't share anywhere else, but this actually took me 14 minutes. I actually wrote it there. I did a really quick fashion sketch of a girl that I just saw online somewhere, and she was just wearing this jacket and this dress, and I was like, I just had this urge to just sketch her, just to practice a figure drawing. And I did it in 14 minutes and I was pretty proud of that. I really roughly put the colour down. It was a good fun practice. Like I feel like sometimes you just need to sketch what you see and get it down, like get the basic shapes down, and like don't overthink all the details and make it really perfect. Yeah, so that's that one. Then I did this cute little morning warm-up sketch of a girl on Pinterest with Starbucks coffee. I really love how she came out. I think she's really cute, and this actually took me 16 minutes. And then this is actually the last illustration I'm working on at the moment. So it's just this cute girl sitting on a bed with a little dog, a book, she's drinking coffee. I actually made like a whole scene of this, which I don't do that often, but if I just untick a few of these where I did the line art, this was the sketch, the base sketch that I did for her, and then I just did all the line art over the top to start bringing it together, and then I'll do some colour. I'm really excited to see how this comes out. As I'm travelling tomorrow morning to the UK, I'm going to try and finish this as I go through the airport, and I might film a bit of process. I am vlogging my time in the UK. I'm not going to vlog a lot, but I will get some footage as well because I just like to film all the time. So I hope that you'll look forward to that one. And that's pretty much all the drawings I've done. I actually didn't do that many in the last month. But yeah, I guess every month can't be full of loads of drawings all the time. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Maybe it's inspired you now to go and do some drawings. Let me know. I hope you join me in my next video, and I'll see you next time.